Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today,
Tope Alabi criticizes Yinka Alaseyori's song Oniduro, says God is not Oniduro. Let's check out the video.
ìyẹn lẹ́nìkan ẹ wá dúró tí Ọlọ́run jẹ́ yẹn ẹ wá dúró tí Ọlọ́run ṣe ìyẹn lẹ́nìkan wá sọ wípé onídúró mi ẹ̀ ṣe Ọlọ́run èso onídúró tèmi. Ọlọ́run kọjá onídúró sà ó kọjá onídúró èmi náà láìkí orin yẹn jọ tí mo fẹ́ kọ báyìí ẹ̀mí mọ́ ní gbẹ́nu ẹ̀ sàn. Ó kọjá onídúró. This is not kì í ṣe pé bóyá èèyàn fi ń sọ pé orin kan ò dáa. Tá a bá ti gba orin nínú ẹ̀mí ó ní àwọn àṣàrò téèyàn máa ń ṣe pẹ̀lú ẹ̀mí mímọ́ kó tó gbé e jáde. Àìjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ bó ṣe ń gbé wá lèèyàn ṣe ń sọ ni oníkálùkù kàn mọ́ sọ̀sọ́kúsọ ni. He has given us the brain to digest, chew it very well, digest, eat it, gbemi, then digest it, then bring it back to life. Ọlọ́run kọjá onídúró. Nítorí tèmi náà fẹ́ kọ́ ni mo tó mọ̀. Ó kọjá onídúró. Àwọn tí wọ́n ti ẹ̀ ń kọ́ tí kìí ṣe àwọn lólórin yẹn gan, wọ́n tún bínú pé a tún sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún wọn. Ṣé tá a bá rò tọrọ ńlẹ̀? Àwa gan ti kọrin rí, a change ẹ̀. Èmi fúnra mi ti compose orin rí. Ńgbà mo dẹ̀ gbọ́ pé ìbí ìbá jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kéèyàn yóò pònú. Mo sì tún change nǹkan mi. Ọlọ́run ò kì í ṣe onídúró. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wò ó síra wa. Ẹni onídúró kò mean pé onídúró máa bá ẹ san owó tó dúró fún ẹbí tó ti ń ṣiṣẹ́. Ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ níbì kan ó wá 300,000 wá sọnù. Wọ́n wá lọ pé onídúró ẹ̀ ṣé wọ́n ó pa á tí ò bá rówó yẹn san. Wọ́n ní pa á tí ò bá rówó yẹn san náà.
Meanwhile, another singer, Sola, has fired back at Tope Alabi. She wrote on her Instagram, Oniduro mi ẹ o. For me and many souls which connect to this song, Oniduro mi, we have stories which clearly show that we would have been forgotten long ago if not for the guarantor side of the Father that was expressed in our lives. I commend Yinka Alaseyori for making the song more accessible to souls all over the world. And I wish her more help in all her doings. The song tells a story of many of us who had no backing from anyone and none to rest on or be as a hiding place as to what our tomorrow would be. I first heard this song years ago from Mama Bolare at my home out of home Agape P ground in Akure, and I immediately connected with it because I would have been ridiculed and deserted and forgotten. The song helps me express my gratitude in that respect very succinctly. I have come to learn that we understand the concept of God differently, depending on how we were given and how much we are granted to see as we make effort to dig deeper. And that's why I live my life devoid of divide, which different abilities in understanding breed. I don't know much about life. I'm still a learner who seeks for my mind to be renewed daily. But one of the few things I know, dunju and daju in life, is that I received the help of a guarantor, an Oniduro from the realms of God, the Almighty. At times when it was obvious that generational Jankariwo would stall me from fulfilling destiny, times when, as a lawful captive, foundational voices vibrated higher than my own and I was going to be confused, I was set free by the ultimate guarantor, Oniduro mi, and I become totally free to walk as I should in destiny, to grow and thrive as should be. We see in parts. God the Father is revealed to us in different ways and sights, depending on many things. Concluding based on the beats we are granted to see is dangerous and not fair on humanity. There are many ways to approach God, and there are words we use based on our limited understanding, but I know that by mercy the state of your heart is understood. Is it not by mercy that we can approach in the first place? Remember that I'm a learner. Oniduro mi ẹ o, mo dúpẹ́. Well guys, what do you think about this story, as many gospel artists are tweeting in solidarity with Yinka Alaseyori?